Hey guys, I just wanted to film a quick update on the seeds. Over here are my cherry tomatoes. This half are the large, and then that half are the sweet hundreds, I think they were. They're doing really good. I just turned them because I have the grow light here, but then behind here I also have a window, so they tend to reach towards that window. So every other day I just flip them around, kind of straighten them out a little. And they are getting kind of really tall, but I didn't want to put my light any closer. So that's the tomatoes. And then over here are my peppers, and then cucumbers are right here. For some reason, I totally forgot I put cucumbers there, and I thought they were my jalapenos, but they're not. They're cucumbers. So you're kind of growing out of there too. And then, let's see. I do have actual peppers starting now, so it's exciting. Push those back. And then, oh yeah, we are having a little snow. It doesn't look like it's snowing, but actually it's coming down pretty good. We're supposed to get about 10 inches today. Down here I have my chamomile. You can see my little babies in there. Lemon balm, there's nothing yet. Same for the eggplants, nothing yet. And then these are the ones my sister started. So these have done a lot already. They've been in this container for about 2 days now. There's corn, her beans, some squash, zucchini, broccoli, and cauliflower. So hers are all doing really well. Her corn is just taking off. It's not going to last long in here before we have to put it in bigger containers, but for now it's good. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to go ahead and cover these back up and give them, these I might leave open. I leave my tomatoes uncovered so they don't get too moist in there. But feel free to comment down below, like our video, and subscribe to keep updated. Thanks guys, bye.